Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your man Charlie Anthony back once again with another FYI DIY video. Today I'm going to be installing my new fog lights, my new HID fog lights from OPT7. I decided to go with the Bullet R HID fog lights, so we'll see how this goes, see what kind of difference it makes. Alright, so here I am about to install the OPT7 HID lights. There goes the ballast. That was the LED light I just removed from the housing. And I'm doing this on a 2013 Dodge Durango. Alright. So pretty much it's going to be going into here. So hopefully this shouldn't really be too much of a mission to do. Let me set the phone down here. Trying to get this to clip in now. There we go. Got it clipped in. Now the trick is going to be where am I going to put the ballast at? But before I go crazy installing the ballast, just want to make sure that this all plugs in correctly. Because if not, then I gotta rethink my plan here. So hold on a second. That's not going into that housing like that. So let's see. Alrighty. Yeah. Alright. Alright, so after a bit of trial and error with the wires, finally got them on. These are the OPT7 Bullet HIDs, and they look pretty good. Only one thing I gotta say is I bought them to match my headlights, both 8K bulbs, and I guess it might be the housing. It makes them much brighter. I'll show you guys in a second how they look. But as far as the wiring, I had gotten the wiring harness that they sent me, and for some reason the plugs on the Durango are kind of squared on the inside, as the ones on the HIDs are kind of roundish. So I kind of had to splice the wires and put them together that way. But other than that, it wasn't really much of an issue. So here we go with the headlights on. Guess you can see a bit the difference, how much brighter the fog lamps are. But the real test is going to be when it turns dark. We're going to see how much they really shine out. Alright, so like I said, the big test was going to be at night with these new OPT7 Bullet R HID lights on my fog lights. So I have them on right now along with my regular HID lights. As you see, I got the road lit up a bit. So I'm gonna shut them off. See if you notice that difference. I just turned them right back on again. We'll give it another on and off in a second. Let's get over here. It's a little darker. So I'm gonna shut them down again. It's pretty dark here on this road, and that is them shining bright. So that's just the fog lights. And this is them with my HIDs on. So I'd say I'm pretty happy with these fog lights, the new OPT7 Bullet R HIDs. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment. It's your man Charlie Anthony. Be sure to subscribe. It's another FYI DIY video, and I'm out of here. Have a good night.